saving resources with every washdown. Simple Green doesn't just clean better, it helps your customers save across the board. Here's how. Less water, less labor, less downtime. Non-ionic surfactants rinse easily. This means less water is required, resulting in faster washdown times, and less machine downtime equals higher productivity. No hot water needed. Unlike caustic cleaners, Simple Green can activate in cold water, reducing utility bills, heating system strain, carbon footprint, and making it easier to use in locations where hot water is limited. Custom dilutions for any task, from heavy degreasing to light cleaning. Adjust the dilution ratio based on the job. One drum serves many cleaning functions. No need for multiple specialized products. The cost-saving pyramid. 1. Lower chemical inventory. 2. Reduced procurement and storage. 3. Fewer PPE requirements. 4. Lower water and energy use. 5. Faster cleaning equals more productivity. 6. Reduces insurance, liability, and absenteeism from chemical exposure. Simple Green is more than just a cleaning product. It's a cost-saving, operationally efficient solution. By switching to Simple Green cleaning solutions, you're making a smart, long-term investment in your company's bottom line, while protecting your people, the environment, and your equipment.